How to fix YouTube application not working issue. Well, if you're facing YouTube app error, then there are certain things that you'll have to keep in mind. First thing is to check your internet connection. Make sure that your internet connection is working fine. Now, then head over to your Play Store or App Store and make sure that the update is ready. If there is update, you want to make sure your application is updated to the latest version. Also, make sure to update your device software as well, as not updating it can cause glitches within the apps. Now also you want to check your date and time settings. Now sometimes setting your date and time settings to manual can cause the error, so you want to make sure that the date and time settings that you have set up is automatic. You have to set it to automatic date and time option. Now once you have done so, simply close the YouTube application, restart your device and reopen the app. It should fix the issue. You can try reinstalling the application as well, and if it doesn't help at all, you can head over to your Safari or your Google Chrome or any browser that on your mobile device, and what you want to do is you want to download the previous version of YouTube. So hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.